Now we have seen how to create an order list using UL tag. So basically UL tag we use to create a list, and then we use li tag to create individual items. So can you just guess how we might create an order list? So just do a little bit research and go for it. So I hope you guessed that right. All we need to do is UL to OL, that is for order list. Let's just save this and refresh, and you can see that it's exactly the same, except we have got number instead of bullets. So it's ordered, and we can have a little bit more fun with the same with this order list. So let's say, for example, for some reason I want to start my list at 10th rather than from 1. So for that, inside the OL I have to use an attribute that is called as start attribute, and I just have to specify the number from which I want to start my order list. So inside the double quotes I will specify the number as 10. So let's save this. Let's see the changes. So you can see now my list has started from 10th. Okay, so now we can do a couple of things more. That is, we can use a reverse attribute. Let me just save this and refresh this. So you can see now the list is appearing to me in the opposite order. And finally we can specify the type of order list that we want here. So if inside the OL tag I write the type attribute, so you can see my text editor is giving me some type options. So instead of numericals, you can use alphabets. Let's save this and refresh it. So now I have alphabet as my type. Then instead of this alphabet you can use Roman number. So let's use this capital I. So now we have Roman numbers as my type of order list. So that was all for this ordered list, and in the next video we are going to see how we can add images to our web pages.